Tonight we're bringing a taste of Chicago to the kitchen. We're making deep dish pizza bombs. These individual deep dish pizza bites are full of flavor and can be stuffed with your favorite ingredients. We're using pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, sliced pepperoni, and chopped onions and mushroom. They're baked in a muffin pan with puff pastry and topped with garlic butter. This explosion of flavor and excitement can be custom made any way that you like. It's a taste of the Windy City in the kitchen tonight. We're making deep dish pizza bombs. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're making deep dish pizza bombs. Bite-sized puff pastry sheets stuffed with your favorite toppings and baked in the oven using a muffin pan. Full of flavor and excitement, our mise en place for tonight's recipe is a non-stick muffin pan, garlic butter, a box of puffed pastry dough sheets, a jar of pizza sauce, a package of sliced pepperoni, 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, chopped mushrooms and onions, fresh basil, and Italian seasoning. These are the ingredients that we're using in our pizza bombs, but you can add any ingredients that you want, such as cooked ground beef, pork sausage, or peppers. Our first step is to get our muffin pans ready. We're brushing in butter to our non-stick pans, but you could also use non-stick spray. The box of puffed pastry has enough dough for 2 pans worth of pizza bombs, so we'll use 1 regular-sized muffin pan and 1 jumbo-sized muffin pan. The jumbo muffin pan was actually easier because it held more of the ingredients. Next, we'll prepare the dough. Add flour to a cutting board or countertop and flatten out the dough sheets using a rolling pin. Then cut the sheets into squares and place them onto a plate. Use flour to help keep the dough sheets separated. Place the dough sheet squares into the muffin pan. And if anyone asks, why are you using square dough sheets for round holes? Well, you'll see in a minute when we fold the corners of the dough over the top of the pizza bombs. Next, we'll begin to fill our dough with the ingredients. Add the sauce, the sliced pepperoni, chopped onions, chopped mushrooms, shredded mozzarella cheese, another spoonful of sauce, some fresh chopped basil, and Italian seasoning. Once all of the ingredients are to your liking, begin to fold the corners of each dough sheet over the top of the pizza bombs. Brush some garlic butter onto the tops of the pizza bombs. We melted a few tablespoons of butter along with a clove of minced garlic to make our garlic butter. Then place the pans into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the pans from the oven and allow them to cool for a few minutes, and you're ready to serve. And there it is! Deep dish pizza bombs! Bite-sized mini pizza treats exploding with flavor and excitement. Fresh dough filled with pizza sauce, sliced pepperoni, and shredded mozzarella cheese. This Windy City specialty can be customized any way that you like. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.